Hello everyone, Pratik here back with another Photoshop tutorial. Now this tutorial is also going to be exciting like the previous one. If you haven't watched the previous one yet, it's in the iCard link over here. You can just watch that, and then without any further ado, let's get into it. So here we are in the Photoshop, and so this is the image we can see right now. So before that, let's do one little thing, that is to create a new canvas. And this is the size I'm selecting, 1920 into 1080 pi px pixels, and then we reduce the size. We come back here. Now what we want to do is we want to shrink this down as much as possible. So we're going to take the crop tool over here, and we're gonna just drag it before it touches the subject. By the way, this picture was taken while we were shooting an annual report for our college. Do let me know if you want to watch the annual report. I'll post that also on YouTube. Okay, so here we have cropped our image, and then this is how it looks. And if you can crop yours more, I recommend you to do that. And then let's copy the background and copy the image, Control J, Command J if you are in Mac, and then let's hide the layer and go to select and color range, and then sample colors. Then make sure to select this option first, not any other one, because they'll already be color loaded. So we're gonna select the bare 01, and we're gonna press that, and we're gonna press this plus mark over here with the plus mark, and we will start adding colors to it. So go around the green screen and start adding colors from all the corners until you can see all the background, which is green, becomes completely white in the grayscale image. Alright, so we did that right. So now we need to increase the fuzziness, and don't increase too much, otherwise the subject will also be covered. Just make sure the background goes and only the subject is selected, and nothing inside the subject is selected. So there should be nothing inside the subject which should be selected. So I'm just, let me check, for me 25, let's reduce that, 24, now 23, 22, 21, and 23 works out for me, and I guess I'll go for 23. And make sure not to select the inverted one, because we're going to delete the background here. Well, you can do the inverted one also with the clipping mask, and then it's a bit complicated process, so let's not get into that. And then it's selected, and we press delete here, and after we press delete, background's gone, green screen's gone. Now although we can see a lot of greens around the edges, like around the hair, around the body, around the face, around the jacket, around the phone, everywhere there's a bit of green. So we need to refine the mask now. The next step is to refine the mask. There are two ways we can do this. It's it's pen tool and it's quick selection tool. Quick selection tool will not give you the accurate results, but we can do with it to do the fast work. But I do recommend you to do in the pen tool. Now let me just show you how to do that in the pen tool. A bit I'll show, and I'll fast forward the remaining one. Here what we need to do, we need to take the pen tool, we need to zoom into the picture, go down, and we'll start from the bottom, and then make anchor points around the edge of the blue jacket, and just repeat this till the end, and then hit command enter and then delete. Let me just fast forward this for you. So here we have it. So now let's complete the circle. It's not a circle basically. Then hit delete, and then boom, the green edges are gone. Now let me show you how to do the same thing with quick selection tool. Now we'll go to the quick selection tool, select this edge like this, and till the end we'll select, and we'll hit delete. So this is how it's going to come. You can see there are little bit of markings remaining, so it's just not as perfect as the pen tool was. So take some time, guys. It's your pictures. Use the pen tool, get it done. Alright, so here we have all the green removed right now, and then remember we had taken a white layer that time. Now let's put that over here, and we have to obviously make the adjustments. Then we are reducing the size, and then a little bit more, and then here we go, hit enter, and then I like this one actually. You can keep it white, but let's even do black right now. Let me adjust this. Okay, the white looks good for me, and I'm happy with the result with white actually. So we'll keep white, and we'll do a one black also. Now see guys, what's the difference? Green with the background, and now white without the background. A lot of difference. I am already starting to like it. So now what we're going to do is we are going to refine the hairs and make the hairs proper, and we're gonna take this and make this black, the background. Alright, so we're gonna zoom into the picture still more, and then we're gonna go to the tool called burn tool. It's right below the gradient tool. No, it's right below the blur tool. You select that and you hit, and you keep on clicking until the green hair becomes black. And we're gonna just do this all over the hairs once again, and let me just fast forward this for you. Alright guys, see, there's no green around the hairs, and it looks really good. It looks really good, sorry. It looks really good. And but still we can see that it's exactly not how human hair would be, because it's very sharp. So we're gonna take the eraser tool right now, increase the size of it, and we're gonna clean up around our subject. Okay, so we go around the subject, we hit delete, we hit we click the touchpad, or you click the mouse, and just gonna take the edge of this and just gonna smooth the hairs just like this. Let me and let's just do that all around the picture, and let me just fast forward that for you as well. So here we go guys, way better. This picture is looking way better now. Alright, now let's remove the white background and then add a black one to it. So we remove the white background now, and we go to layer, new fill layer, solid color, okay, and then we select black color. Okay, now there is a lot of differences between the background and the subject. We need to correct that, and we're just gonna use the eraser tool, and we are just gonna do the same thing around it. So we're gonna erase it just like these, just like this. So we're gonna erase it just like this, and let me just fast forward that for you. We're gonna go to curves, bring that down a little bit. No, let's bring that down. Let's hit okay, let's bring that down a bit. Okay, that looks good to me, and we will hit enter. Okay guys, this is how we make this black. Now there are two options, white and black background. You can, as you can see on your left side and your right side. So do let me know which to post on Instagram. I haven't posted yet. If you're not following me on Instagram, you can head over to @pratik_techsavvy, @pratik_techsavvy, and you can actually vote which one to post, black one or the white one. I have a poll in the Instagram stories. And then that's all for this video, guys. Pratik here. You're watching Prehistoric Polymath. Uh, if you like the content what I do, hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video and want to know more about Photoshop and all, make sure to leave the comment down below and hit the like button and share this video. Let your other friends also know how to edit their pictures. And with that said, I'll meet you in the next one, and until then, stay hungry. Well, in terms of knowledge.